good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do my version of McDonald's Egg McMuffin. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video, guys. Let's get started with the Egg McMuffin. The supporting cast is pretty simple in this. I'm going to do 3 different types. I'm going to do a regular American bacon made from the fat belly of the pig. We're going to do some Canadian bacon, which doesn't really come from, it doesn't come from the fat belly. It comes from usually the leg or something. But it's more like a ham. If you want to substitute ham, you can definitely do that. And then I got some regular pan sausage there. And then I got, of course, 3 eggs, whatever you want to use. This is the nice processed cheese, otherwise known as Kraft. And then I got some sliced, very mild cheddar cheese, because I think I'm going to like that a little bit better. Then I got my English muffins here. I'm not making English muffins, I bought those. Then I use a little bit of cooking oil. The cooking oil is really just to spray these ring rolls. I bought these ring rolls off of Amazon. It's the first time I'm using them, actually. Kind of big. You can also use a mason jar lid and you spray that with your cooking spray. You can use that as well. But I'm going to try this for the first time. But anyway, let's get started with this. By the way, I am doing this on the Steelmadeusa grill. I'll tell you a little bit more about that. Alright guys, so this is my Steelmadeusa grill, which, by the way, I'm doing a giveaway for one of these. When I reach 5,000 subscribers, all you got to do to enter the giveaway is click on my link in the description. It'll take you over, and you got to do 4 things to get into the giveaway. You got to visit my Facebook page, you got to leave an email, comment on one of my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But this is the Steelmadeusa grill. It turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. I absolutely love it. Watch my other videos. I've done a lot of videos using this product. So, hey guys, also if you want to purchase one right away, if you use Bigtone as your product code, when you purchase it, you'll get 10% off. And I am an affiliate. It does help me out a little bit, so I would appreciate it. Alright guys, so let's get started with this. I got all my eyes on a medium heat. First thing I'm going to do is cook off my meat. Start with my bacon and sausage. So I'm going to put my sausage back here. My bacon back here, sorry. I'm going to cook that up. And my sausage I'm going to put up here. And we're going to cook these up. Now I'm going to wait on my Canadian bacon because it's pre-cooked. You know, all you're really doing is heating that up. So then we'll get started on my eggs here, and once this gets a little bit doner. But let's get these cooked first. Okay, so as we're waiting for the meat to cook here, I'm going to show you a little trick I learned. This is, of course, an English muffin. You're not supposed to cut into an English muffin. You're supposed to fork it so it comes out with that texture. So you just take a fork, push into it, and run it all the way around. Try to be as straight as you can. Just continue going all the way around it. There we go. And it pops open. There you got your English muffin. So I'm going to do all of them like that. I just wanted to show you that. Just as a little, I guess, side note. But anyway, let me do the rest of them. Let's get back to our meat. So we're back over to the Steelmade griddle. I am going to press on my sausage. I normally don't do this, but I want to get them as flat as possible without making them too flat, because they are going to puff up a little bit while you're cooking them. Give that McDonald's appearance, but it's obviously going to be better because it's real sausage. You don't know what goes into McDonald's sausage, but it's obviously doing something. They're selling billions of them. Alright, so we're going to let these cook away, and we'll get started on my eggs here in a little bit. Right, so as you can see, I put my Canadian bacon on back here. We're just going to warm that up a little bit. It's already been pre-cooked, so you can see the sausage I flipped over, looking immaculate. Press them down just a little bit, let them cook a little bit longer. I haven't flipped the bacon over yet. Let's do that now. Get that bacon nice there. Alright, so we're going to let this cook. I'll be back in a little bit. I put a little bit of butter on my front eye here. And I'm going to take the silicone molds here. I'm just going to spray the insides with this non-stick spray, just to keep the eggs from sticking. One down. And there's the second one. Like I said, you can use mason jars as lids as well, but if you're going to do that with mason jar, you still got to spray them. So we're going to put my eggs in here. Alright, we're going to break the yolks a little bit. One thing I'm going to do that McDonald's does not do, I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on my eggs. A little pink Himalayan. And a little cracked black pepper. There you go. Alright, so we're gonna bend these arms down here just so we can I'll show you what we're doing next. Alright, so we're gonna put those on a very low heat, and we're gonna simply just spread a little water around the outside of them. Just regular water, and I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna let those steam for about 2-3 minutes. We'll take them off. Now I'm gonna put my my English muffins on so we can toast them up. Alright, we're going to put these back here, put 2 of them back here, toast them up, and we're going to toast them up front, and we're going to put 2 more in the back. Alright guys, and one of the other things that I love about the Steelmade grill is that of course you have the 4 eyes that you can turn to your temperature that you want, but it does put residual heat throughout the whole griddle. But one of the things that I love is the middle section is more like a warming section. So as you can see, I put my meat in the middle. It keeps it nice and hot while the rest of the food cooks. You don't have to turn on the oven, you don't have to have a warm plate or anything like that. But I love it for that. That's one of the great features of it. So go on over there and pick up one. Use Bigtone as your product code, get 10% off. Alright guys, as you can see, my eggs are done. I put another egg on here. So, I'm going to start assembling these real quick. I'm going to show you the order that I put it in. You can see my English muffin is toasted up nicely. Put both pieces over here. Alright, so I'm going to do one of the sausage ones first. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a layer of cheese down. Push that in there just a little bit. Grab one of my sausages. Alright. Then I'm going to take one of the eggs here. Look at that egg. Woo-hoo! It's nice. Nice. And we're going to top it off with the top of the muffin. Look at that. Woo-hoo! Just the ingredients alone makes it a better Egg McMuffin. So I'm going to do the other 3 here, and I'm going to plate them up for you. The other 2, I'm sorry, and I'm going to plate them up for you. There you guys go. Sausage, Canadian bacon, and regular bacon, egg and cheese. Bigtone's McMuffins. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Bigtone's Egg McMuffins. Homemade is always better. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. But in the meantime, click on the link in the description. Go over and get you a Steelmade USA grill. Use Bigtone as your product code, and we'll give you 10% off. And I'm doing a giveaway, so click on the other link, and it'll take you over and show you how to enter. But I'm waiting for that bite. I'm gonna take a bite of the sausage, egg, and cheese. Hey, McDonald's ain't got shit on me. Hey guys, you gotta try this. Egg McMuffins, what, $3.50, something like that. This is way better than that. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.